Hello, my friend, Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is Stamp and Die Hard time. I'll be honest, this is a good one. I really, really love this one. I know I'm a dork, but I'm serious. This is one of the big ones. This is one of the big ones. I went nuts on this, you guys. I did so many different designs on this one that we're going to have to release more in 100 years or something because there's more. There's more. I just couldn't stop. Ready? Get set. It is called Koala Kuties. Ah! I'm dying. I'm dying. So, sending you a bear hug. Hang in there, because see how he's hanging in there. Hey, a very happy hello. I like sending quality, but quality, meaning koala, time with you. You are a quality friend. Get it? Koala bear. Okay. And we're getting some extra leaves. We're getting this cute little guy that can hold the leaves if you want. And we're getting this one that's asleep. Now, Die Hard Club. Well, Stamp Club members, you're getting the stamp set sent to you automatically. Boom. $13.99 a month or less, depending on when you signed up. Because once you sign up, your price is locked in. Your price won't go up. So that's really exciting. Some of you are paying even less than that. But, ready? There's a die set, of course, because, you know, this is our most popular club. The same stamps as the Stamp Club and the dies that match. So you're getting the inside and the outside dies. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dies. And this one is a very large one, you guys. Can you see how big that is? So you are getting both of these if you're in my Die Hard Club. Also, you're getting a handy dandy postcard with some ideas. And I don't know how this happened. Ask no questions, right? Because who cares? You are not getting one freebie this month. I'm sorry. You're getting 2 freebies. You're getting 2 freebies. You're getting 2 envelopes of freebies this time. Why? I'm not quite sure, but who cares, right? That doesn't matter. The why doesn't even matter. You're getting 2 freebies. So if you're in the Stamp Club or you're in the Die Hard Club, boom, my friends, I love you. And the only way I can show you is, I guess my love language is giving gifts because you're getting 2 freebies. Now, if you're not in the Stamp or Die Hard Club and you're new to the Stamps of Life, I highly recommend you at least join the Stamp Club. Why? Well, it's only $13.99 a month. Well, do I have to pay shipping on top of that? No. $13.99 a month. Now, if you're in Canada, it's only 50 cents more. If you're international, I believe it's only $1.50 more. Big deal, right? Big deal. $13.99 a month. What does that get you? As a club member, you get a 15% discount on our website. You earn club points with every shipment and every website purchase. And every couple months, we send out freebies. For example, 2 freebies this month. Like, who's even heard of that, right? That's crazy. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary month, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website as a thank you and a happy anniversary. Isn't that exciting? I know. Now, what's the monthly commitment? Well, it's only 10 years. I'm kidding, of course. It's only 3 months. After 3 months, you're going to fall madly, deeply in love with us and you're never going to leave. Or you're going to cancel. We hope you stay, but if you cancel, maybe we're not for you. But you know what? Most people stay. And then most people add another club, and they become diamond members, and then they become lifers. Oh yeah, it's a thing. Go check out our Facebook page, the official Facebook fan page for Stamps of Life. And there you will find some cool people and an awesome community. Now, so exciting, right? But a couple things. Number 1, there are way more things that I need you to see on these 2 things. I need you to go to our website, watch the next video because it's even more amazing. But let's look at some samples. Our team is amazing. I'm saving most of the samples for the next video, so go see that video. But look at how cute this little guy is. Now, some of you are thinking, Stephanie, I love this koala, but I do not like to get out my alcohol markers and color. I get ya. Guess what, my friends? There's a stencil that matches. So now you can use your brushes and you can ink instead of coloring. The choice is yours, but it's limited edition, so go get it now. Here you go. There's one example. Here's another one. Love that with the cloud background die in the background. Love it. And this one, I love this one. This one's so cute. This is taking our oval flip it die, turning it horizontal and getting that cute little koala on there. Isn't that adorable? Look at this. What? And he's like, I like spending quality time with you. And there's an added hidden panel on there. Isn't that awesome? I love that. Who did that? Michelle? Fantastic. Now, I have lots more samples. I have lots more items to show you. Club members, yours are already on their way to you. If you're not in the club, join now. And guess what? You will not only get some freebies for joining, but you will get these 2 extra freebies as well. It's like I'm paying you to be my friend, right? Okay, go check it out, stampsoflife.com. You know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.